My knees hit the ground in the dark. Only you know the storm in my chest. Every secret I hide in my heart, you have counted, you have blessed. I have run till my feet turn to stone, chasing shadows that slip through my hands. Now I stand at your doorway alone, empty palms, but you understand. I surrender every weight to you, yeah, every tear, every ache, every scar. I was never meant to carry this so far, so I lay it all in your hand. Yeah, Allah. I have folded my fears in my fists till my fingers forgot how to open. But your mercy keeps flooding the cracks in the walls I had quietly broken. When I whisper your name through the night, all the chains on my chest start to fall. I am weak, but your promise is might. You are near when I can't stand at all. I surrender every weight to you, every tear, every ache, every scar. I was never meant to carry this so far, so I lay it all in your hand. Yeah, Allah. Yeah, Allah. Yeah, Allah. Take my worry, take my blame, wash my story in your name. If I stumble, if I fall, let my broken be my call. I surrender every weight to you, every tear, every ache, every scar. I was never meant to carry this so far, so I lay it all in your hand. Yeah, Allah. On the floor with my forehead in dust, I give up what I held, what I must. All I have, all